You are a Muslim.
Yes.
What's your name?
Omar.
Omar.
Omar Muhammad.
Omar Muhammad.
Yeah.
Omar Muhammad nodded quite briskly
I didn't.
when I. Please listen. Please listen. Please listen.
Wait.
Please listen. If you don't, I have no reason to wait for you. Omar quite briskly nodded his head when Farhan failed miserably and misquoted the Bible, like all Muslims do, and said Abraham built Masjid al-Haram according to the Bible. That's what Farhan said, and Omar nodded quite briskly. Did you or did you not nod?
My point wasn't like this.
But did you nod or not?
I made myself clear. My point wasn't like this.
Your point wasn't what?
My point wasn't like this.
What was your point?
So you don't know my point. Why are you just saying I was supporting him?
Please listen.
Yeah, I was supporting
Please
him.
listen.
Yeah.
What did I say? This is where Muslims would gaslight. It is very important to stay focused. What did I say? I don't have a clue as to how much you are delusional or not. I haven't got a clue. All that I can tell you. Yes. All that I can say.
I'm just
One
asking-
second.
No, no.
One second.
Wait. No, because you keep.
All
talking
that I can say.
You keep
Excuse me, sir,
talking
please.
rubbish.
All
Let
that
me
I
say my
can.
point.
Please.
I just need to say my point. Can I say
Please,
my point?
please stay quiet.
Can I say my point?
All that I can say.
Can I say my point?
One second.
I can say my
All
point.
okay, please.
Because I'm not going
Let
to
me
be
go.
disrespectful.
Let me ask this again.
I'm not going to.
I believe
What you
I
ask me?
I'll ask you and then answer.
What's your question?
I'll ask you right now if you listen.
No.
Don't
because
interrupt.
what I
Okay,
need
he wants to know
answer-
what my question
No,
is
I just need to
without
answer-
letting me speak. Would you like to know my question?
No.
Okay, in which case please keep moving this way. Thank you very much. If you please keep moving.
Bible
For
is
all-
a lie. Torah is a lie.
Lovely, lovely.
Quran is a lie.
My dear friends,
They're not from Allah. They're not from God.
what I am holding
Lies.
in my
lies,
hand.
Lies.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What I am holding in my hand is what is called the Quran.
If you give people
Thank you, thank you.
speak,
Yeah,
because
sure, thank you.
giving
You're now
respect.
desperate.
I
If
will
you are
speak,
so
I will
desperate,
convince you here.
the toilet is out
You
there.
can't
Thank
just
you.
convince me
Please,
what
thank
are
you.
you saying?
I
You're
understand.
saying rubbish.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You have to have.
Islam,
I am
Let people
Messiah.
speak. Let people speak.
God,
You
why?
can't just continue
My
that.
please
feet.
practice what you preach. Thank you.
I am Messiah.
My dear friends,
God anointed me
Islam,
by wiping my feet.
Islam is causing issues across the world and including in Israel and our own nation, the UK, because Islam is a religion of delusion. This is what it masters on. Delusion. Islam began as a religion of delusion and it continues as a religion of delusion. I'll give you 3 specific delusional ideas that Islam had right at its origin. Point number 1. The Muslims crazily thought somehow they were entitled to take over the land and properties of all non-Muslims. It began with Masjid al-Haram, which was a non-Islamic religious place of worship. The Muslims, in their delusion, thought they could take it over. That's delusion number 1. Delusion number 2. Delusion number 2. The Muslims, because of some crazy, weird drug that they had taken, I don't know where they get this drug. This drug is clearly very, very potent. Muslims across the world seem to be taking the same drug and therefore they are delusional in the same way. Where there is no shred of evidence, Muslims across the world and throughout time somehow are misled into thinking that the Quran agrees with the Bible, that the Bible is Islamic, that Abraham was Islamic, that Jesus was Islamic. That Moses was Islamic. Look at him, nodding his head. Delusion everywhere. That Moses was Islamic. All right, Omar, please come here. So Omar is going to take up a lovely challenge right now. Excuse me, sir, please stay focused.
Don't interrupt me.
1 second.
Don't interrupt me.
1 second.
Yes.
Give him
I will let you
microphone.
speak,
Give him microphone.
but stop threatening. Focus on the question.
I'm not threatening.
Okay.
I'm not threatening.
Threat. Or don't. Threat. Please stay focused.
You're lying.
That doesn't matter what your wonderful reason is. Stop threatening.
Okay,
Stay focused on the question. Please stay focused. Question is this. What?
Before your question,
Play. Now he wants to go before. Please. The question is simple. Stay. No, not interested. The
Let
question.
me say, wait.
The
Please, 1
question.
second.
The
Yeah.
question is simple. What evidence have you got as a Muslim living in the UK, having access to all sorts of historical resources from the British Museum, from the British Library, and all sorts of other institutions that are available here?
Your question.
What evidence have you got to demonstrate that Moses, Jesus, Abraham were Muslims?
Okay.
Don't take the microphone. Don't panic. Stay focused. Be calm. Give an answer.
Okay, sorry for that.
Thank you.
I'm not panicking. The first thing, you asking me your question. So we are talking with each, yeah? Me and you. Is that right? Are we talking for argument or for challenging or to understand?
Does he understand the question? I've asked the question very clearly.
I understand.
I'll ask the question again.
I understand
His
your
dawa
I
clueless
understand
script
your
isn't
question.
working.
I understand your
Please stay
question.
focused. Excuse me, sir. Please stay focused.
Do you have,
Omar, please stay focused.
are you, can you head?
Thank you very much. Please stay focused.
I understand your question.
What is the question?
I understand your question.
Please listen.
Okay, let me answer.
You clearly did not.
Okay, let me
I'll
answer.
repeat
Okay, let me answer.
for your
I
information.
understand. Let me
Please,
answer. Let me
1
answer.
second.
Let me
1
answer.
second.
Can I answer?
No. Wait. I'll repeat. Before you answer, if you have to take any drugs to get your mind right, please do all that. But focus on the question right now. Having lived in the UK, having access to all sorts of historical resources, Omar, what evidence have you got to bring before us at Speaker's Corner in the UK where knowledge is exchanged to prove or to demonstrate that Abraham, Moses, and Jesus were Muslims?
Okay, first of all, to convince you with that, I have to convince you with something before this. I have to convince you, firstly, you have to convince there is a God and there is, if you don't convince with this first thing, you will not going to be convinced by anything. I have to talk to you about the Islam itself.
Did you understand the question?
I understand your question.
Listen to me.
Okay, I'll
No,
give you the evidence.
don't panic,
I will
don't.
give you the evidence.
Thank you.
I will give you the evidence.
If you please focus, thank
The
you.
evidences are verses from the Holy Quran.
Yeah,
You are
yeah,
not
yeah.
going to believe the Holy Quran. That's why I have to convince
Did
you.
you listen to him? What did I say? Islam is a religion of delusion. Did I not say
I
this?
understand what I'm saying.
So what does he say? Whereas I asked about characters who showed up on the face of the earth centuries. Please listen.
I have to convince
Please,
you.
excuse me.
You have to convince with
My
Quran
dear Omar,
first.
please listen.
Then you can convince by
Please listen.
small things.
Please listen. Please listen, yeah?
I'm listening.
You're not listening.
You are
You're
not
rambling
convinced by
on.
God.
In
How you are
English,
convinced by people.
in English, the term is rambling. That's what you're doing. Vomiting, verbal diarrhea, not useful. This is Speaker's Corner. If you're ill, verbal diarrhea, you can find out the closest NHS hospital. Get admitted, please.
Thank you so
Now
much,
stay
Moses.
focused.
I'm fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Now prove that you are fine by staying focused on the question. I completely agree that the delusional Islam thinks that Abraham was a Muslim. I'm not disagreeing. And that is exactly where I even started. Islam is a religion of delusion. I completely agree. For whatever strange reason, Islam or the Quran thinks against all evidence that Abraham was a Muslim, that Jesus was a Muslim, that Moses was a Muslim, that King Saul was a Muslim, and all sorts of other characters were Muslims. The Quran thinks so. I completely agree. And that is exactly where I told you earlier clearly that the writers of the Quran, the early Muslims, and Muslims throughout time clearly have had access to some strange drug which brings about delusion, quite strong delusion. I agree. My question to you was not whether the Quran claims that or not. My question to you was, do you have Abraham, for your information, do you know when Abraham lived? Doesn't have a clue. I would have thought so. Muslim
Finish.
doesn't have a clue.
Finish.
Do you know or not?
Yeah, I
Do you
know.
know when did
Yes, I
Abraham
know.
live?
Live.
Live.
He lived in.
Please.
Let me tell you exactly.
Please.
Ibrahim, he lived in the area between Jordan. Let me explain to you. Why are you laughing?
Do you understand the word when?
Let me finish.
Excuse me, please. Do you understand the word
The
when?
time, I don't know what the time. if
just
we-
tell me. Just tell me you don't know.
It's a chronology. There's something in
It's
there.
chronology.
Yeah, it's a chronology. If we
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back,
it's
a chronology.
we get it from
Understand
calendar. They
Because
say anything
it
else
is not- it is
except
not-
the answer.
it is not-
Please,
it is
excuse
not
me,
a
Omar,
problem.
don't ramble on. Verbal diarrhea is not
You
useful.
stop- Let me
Stay focused.
Let me talk.
Do you know when Abraham lived? If you don't know, just tell me you don't know.
Yes.
Please then tell me, when did he live?
Stop. Shut up and let me finish. If we go back to chronology, and we will understand where and when Ibrahim exactly lived.
Yes, when?
This is.
When was that?
Let me finish up.
Yeah, sure.
Please, let me finish up.
Sure.
And this is not the main point. You ask me.
Do you know or don't you know?
Can
Just
I
tell.
finish?
Are you a
Can I
liar?
finish, please?
Like your Muhammad, are you a
Can
liar?
I finish, please?
No.
Can I finish?
Just tell me, do you know or don't you know?
I know.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Please let me.
Liar, liar.
Let me.
Pants
Let
on
me
fire.
finish. Let me finish.
Please.
Don't interrupt
Tell me when Abraham lived.
You are old man. Have your mind. Let me finish. Me as a Muslim, let me finish, okay?
Yeah.
I gave you your time. You spoke.
Yeah.
Me, I'm a Muslim. My reference is the Holy Quran.
Yeah.
And you.
Only delusion.
Please let me finish. Please let me finish. Me as a Muslim, my reference is the Holy Quran.
Yeah.
And you as a non-Muslim. So as long as I'm a Muslim and my reference is the Holy Quran, so I'm
You're
going.
repeating right now. Please continue. Yes.
I'm going to take my evidences from the Holy Quran, which you don't believe. Here is the matter.
No,
I have to
excuse me. Wow. Do you know or don't you know when Abraham lived? Please. Thank you. Instead of focusing on the one question I asked, he went into all
By the way,
of the.
you
Excuse me,
have
sir.
a right-
What did he say? What did
You have a
Omar?
right to worship a cow,
Omar.
by the way.
You
You
see?
have a right to worship a cow. I'm
Resort.
sorry for that.
Thank you very much. Please escape. Please escape the entire nation. Please run away.